Unlocking opportunities. Profitable businesses to start in Zimbabwe in 2026. In 2026, Zimbabwe's economic landscape is shifting from surviving to thriving. With massive growth in mining, infrastructure, and a push for local manufacturing, the key for Chero TV viewers looking to dive into entrepreneurship is solving local problems with scalable solutions. Here is a guide on the most profitable businesses you can start in Zimbabwe today. Rocket top business ideas for 2026. 1. Value-added agribusiness, agro processing. Don't just grow tomatoes, make tomato sauce. Don't just harvest maize, produce popcorn or mealie-meal. The current economic focus is on import substitution, meaning there are huge incentives for those who process raw materials locally. Low capital. Backyard poultry, broilers, layers, or organic mushroom farming. High capital. Sunflower oil pressing or small-scale grain milling. 2. Solar energy solutions and maintenance. With the global shift toward the green economy, solar isn't just a luxury in Zimbabwe, it's a necessity. The gap. While many companies sell solar kits, very few offer dedicated solar maintenance. Panels need regular cleaning and batteries need testing to last. The idea. Launch a solar clinic, service to repair and maintain residential and commercial systems. 3. Digital services and e-commerce logistics. Zimbabweans are transacting online more than ever. If you have a laptop or a smartphone, you have a storefront. Social media management. Many SMEs in downtown Harare and Bulawayo have great products but zero online presence. You can bridge that gap. Courier and last mile delivery. As online shopping grows, the demand for reliable delivery, especially via motorbikes, is skyrocketing in urban centers. 4. Boutique thrift and mabhero curation. The second-hand clothing market is massive, but the trick in 2026 is presentation. The strategy. Instead of selling from a bale on the ground, create an Instagram boutique. Wash, iron, and professionally photograph high-quality mabhero finds. You can charge a significant premium for the curation and convenience. 5. Construction supplies and specialized services. With the Manhai steel plant in full swing and new housing developments rising, the construction value chain is booming. Idea. Brick molding, transport of aggregates, or specialized interior finishing like PVC ceilings and professional tiling. Light bulb quick tips for success. Solve a pain. The best business in Zimbabwe is one that solves a daily struggle: power, water, transport, or food costs. Focus on cash flow. Prioritize businesses that generate daily or weekly cash flow to stay liquid. Formalize early. Register your business with the registrar of companies to stand a chance at winning tenders and accessing bank loans. Chero TV social media hashtags. Copy and paste these to get your content discovered by the right Zimbabwean entrepreneurial audience. Hashtag Chero TV #Zimbusiness 2026 #Entrepreneurship Zim #Invest in Zimbabwe Zim Economy Nyika Inovakwa Nevene Vayo Harare Startups Zim Agric Solar Zim Side Hustle Zim Zimbabwe Business Tips